Hi everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we're going to see how we can order and pay for our products in the TEMU Shopping app. For this, we will need to open the TEMU Shopping app. Then, in the home page, you will see a lot of products that you are offered. Now, select the ones that you want to buy. For example, I select this headphone. After I have selected this headphone, I can add this item to my cart just like that. After this item is added to my cart, I will press on the cart button. It will show me how many items I have listed in my cart. I have 2 items here, but I do not want to buy the second item, so I deselect it. I only select the primary item, then I press on the checkout. I will be asked about my address and my phone number to get my product delivered to me. And in the same page, you can see there's a section called payment methods. In this payment method, I can add how I want to pay for the product. Suppose I add PayPal. Once we press on the PayPal, we have to enter our PayPal email or phone number to verify that our account is real and we want to pay using this account. In this way, we can order a product, add it to the cart, continue to check out, and then set the payment options to pay for the product. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to drop us a like. Also make sure that you have subscribed to our channel Tech and Cryptos. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.